In the northern part of an island known for its beauty lies a region many believe they understand, yet very few truly do. A place connected by land to Ireland, yet politically part of the United Kingdom. A land where identity is not simple, where history has shaped communities in ways that still echo today. Here, peaceful landscapes exist side by side with memories of division, where cities once stood at the center of conflict, and where today, life continues with a quiet determination to move forward. This is a place where belonging has never had a single answer, where culture, politics, and identity intersect in ways that few regions in the world can match. On maps, it may appear as just another part of the United Kingdom, but in reality, it carries a story far deeper than borders. This is Northern Ireland. Hi, I am Kuzma's agent, and today we uncover the geography, origins, cities, traditions, culture, economy, historical conflict, and modern transformation that shaped Northern Ireland into one of the most complex and fascinating regions in the contemporary world. Because Northern Ireland's story is not simply about location, it is about identity shaped through history, geography, a land of beauty and contrast. Northern Ireland occupies the northeastern part of the island of Ireland, sharing a land border with the Republic of Ireland, while remaining politically part of the United Kingdom. This unique position creates a natural connection to one nation and a political connection to another. Its landscape is defined by rolling green hills, quiet countryside, and dramatic coastal views that face the Atlantic Ocean. At first glance, it feels peaceful, almost untouched by time, but beneath that calm environment lies a history that has shaped every part of its identity. One of its most famous natural landmarks is the Giant's Causeway, formed by ancient volcanic activity. Thousands of hexagonal basalt columns rise from the coastline, creating a structure so precise it appears almost artificial. For centuries, myths suggested that giants once walked across these stones, building a bridge across the sea. Like much of Northern Ireland, this place exists between science and story. Nature here is not only seen, it is experienced and remembered. Northern Ireland's geography is not only defined by its beauty, but also by how it has influenced human settlement and movement across centuries. The fertile land allowed farming communities to develop early, while coastal access created opportunities for trade and connection with neighbouring regions. Small villages and towns grew around natural resources, forming tight-knit communities where relationships played a central role in everyday life. Unlike heavily industrialised regions, much of Northern Ireland retained its rural character, allowing traditions to remain closely connected to the land. Even today, this connection between people and environment continues shaping lifestyle, culture, and identity. The rhythm of life here often feels slower, more grounded, and deeply connected to nature. Historical roots, the beginning of division. To understand Northern Ireland, we must look back into history. For centuries, the island of Ireland was influenced and controlled by Britain, shaping political structures and social systems. Over time, differences developed between communities, especially in religion, governance, and identity. By the early 20th century, these differences became impossible to ignore. In 1921, the island was divided. The southern region became an independent nation, known today as the Republic of Ireland, but Northern Ireland remained part of the United Kingdom. This decision created more than just a border. It created two different paths on the same island. For some, Northern Ireland was part of Britain. For others, it was part of Ireland. And for many, identity became something far more complex than a single answer. The Troubles, conflict within a society. These differences eventually led to a period known as the Troubles. Lasting for several decades, this conflict was not fought between distant nations. It existed within communities. Neighbours were divided by belief, identity, and political views. Cities, especially Belfast, became central to this tension. Walls were built to separate communities. Daily life became uncertain for many people. Violence, protests, and unrest shaped an entire generation. But beyond the headlines in history books, the Troubles represented something deeper, a struggle over identity, belonging, and the future of the region. During the Troubles, the impact was not limited to political structures or public spaces. It extended into personal lives, shaping how people interacted, where they lived, and even how they expressed identity. Generations grew up in an environment where caution was part of daily life, and yet, within this period, communities also showed resilience. Families adapted, businesses continued, and individuals found ways to maintain normalcy despite uncertainty. This resilience became one of the defining characteristics of Northern Ireland. It was not only a place of conflict, it was also a place of endurance. The search for peace and a new beginning. Despite the years of conflict, efforts toward peace never stopped. Leaders, communities, and international partners worked together to find a way forward. In 1998, the Good Friday Agreement marked a turning point. It introduced a system of shared governance, allowing different communities to participate in decision-making. Violence decreased, dialogue replaced confrontation, and slowly Northern Ireland began moving towards stability. Peace here was not instant. It required trust, patience, and compromise, but it proved that even the most complex conflicts can evolve into something better. Belfast, a city of transformation. The capital city, Belfast, represents this transformation more clearly than anywhere else. Once known for its industrial strength, Belfast played a major role in shipbuilding and engineering. It was here that the Titanic was constructed, symbolizing ambition and progress. During the Troubles, Belfast became a center of conflict. But today, it tells a different story. Modern buildings rise alongside historical structures. Cultural centers, universities, and businesses continue shaping the city's future. Tourism has grown, and the city has become a symbol of resilience. Belfast is no longer defined by division. It is defined by transformation. Beyond Belfast, other cities and towns also contribute to the region's identity. Places like Londonderry, also known as Derry, carry their own historical and cultural significance. These cities reflect different perspectives within Northern Ireland, highlighting how identity can vary even within a relatively small region. Urban areas continue evolving, balancing historical memory with modern development. Public spaces, art, and architecture increasingly reflect themes of unity and shared future. This gradual transformation shows how cities can become symbols of healing over time. Culture and identity. Culture in Northern Ireland is deeply layered. It reflects both British and Irish influences, creating a blend that is unique to the region. Traditions, music, festivals, and everyday life differ between communities. For some, identity is strongly British. For others, it is Irish. And for many, it exists somewhere in between. This diversity creates complexity, but also richness. Understanding Northern Ireland means understanding that identity here is not fixed. It evolves, just like its history. Nature and tourism. Beyond its past, Northern Ireland offers extraordinary natural beauty. Coastal routes provide breathtaking views of cliffs and ocean waves. Countryside areas offer calm, open landscapes ideal for exploration. The Giant's Causeway remains one of the most visited attractions, drawing travelers from around the world. Tourism continues to grow as more people discover the region for what it is today, not just what it once was. Economy and modern life. Today, Northern Ireland continues developing across multiple sectors. Technology, education, agriculture, and tourism all contribute to economic growth. Cities expand, while rural traditions remain preserved. Universities attract students from around the world. Life has become more stable, offering opportunities that were once limited. Northern Ireland continues moving forward, building a future shaped by progress. Northern Ireland is not a simple place. It exists between identities, between histories, between perspectives. It is a region where conflict once defined life, and where peace now shapes the future. A place that proves even the most complex past can lead to a stronger future. I am Causeway's agent, and this was not just a place. This was a story of division, resilience, and the journey toward peace. Tell me, where should we go next?